Hello, I am Dr. Rudy Scarfalato, and this video is about a seminar that I teach called the Visceral Technique. It's a system of procedures designed to invigorate the internal organs. And the seminar is open to all individuals who have a basic knowledge in anatomy and physiology, as well as some training in body work. Essentially, the folks who take my seminar are massage therapists, reflexologists, nurses, chiropractors, physical therapists. And the way that we talk about the internal organs is we take each organ and endocrine gland one at a time. For example, the stomach. Here is the stomach. And we start by talking about the anatomy and physiology of the stomach. So, among other things, this seminar is going to be a review of visceral anatomy and physiology. Then we talk about symptoms. What are the symptoms that tell us that the stomach is having problems? Then we talk about the possible causes. Then we actually demonstrate. I demonstrate the hands-on techniques. Then you get to practice on each other. Then we regroup and talk about home care. And home care means exercises, simple self-massage techniques, as well as nutritional support for the organs. So it is a lot of information, but you will get a set of prepared notes, a manual, which you can then use in your practice as a source of, as a reference for when you're actually treating your client. Now, this seminar is approved for 12 CE credits, continuing ed for massage, and most of the techniques are actually quite simple. A lot of them are reflex points on the body, simple reflex points, such as this one right here, the web on the left hand, just there next to the thumb. That technique is actually quite effective for dilating the coronary arteries, according to the osteopathic literature. And yes, I have seen it actually reduce or eliminate angina pain. Now, other techniques are done on the organ itself. For example, there is a technique called the liver pump. And this video here will show you the liver pump. The liver pump is exactly what it sounds like. You simply contact the liver right there, and either with one or two hands, simply pump the ribs over the liver, just like that. And you do that for 30 seconds, a minute, and it's very effective for basically helping the liver to cleanse itself. Now, there are still other techniques that are used to actually break up adhesions around the organs. And these techniques are actually quite powerful for helping to improve the blood and lymph supply to the organ. But all of the techniques, whether they're for breaking up adhesions or whether they are reflex techniques, their overall effect is to enhance circulation to the organs. And when you do that, miracles can happen. I've used these techniques over the years to help folks with sinus congestion, asthma, menstrual difficulties, even urinary incontinence, which is a condition in which the individual has a hard time holding their water. And this is actually quite common, especially in women who have given birth. The technique works very well. There's another technique that's used to correct a hiatal hernia, which, as you may remember from your education, is a condition in which the stomach is jammed up into the diaphragm. And this technique will literally bring the stomach down, and all the symptoms of the hiatal hernia will clear up. The person will tell you, oh, my acid reflux has gone away. Oh, now I can swallow food normally. I can breathe more easily. So that's what the seminar is. It's mostly the hands-on techniques for the internal organs supported by home care. So, if you would like more information on this seminar, you can just go to my website, drrudy.net. And you can leave me a message, an email, you can call me on the phone. or if you see this video on YouTube, you can just post your comments below. Thanks for watching.